Welcome to the DJI Neo tutorial video. This video will show you how to perform smart snaps and set parameters in the app running on your smartphone. Wi-Fi connection. To use mobile app control, connect DJI Neo to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and run the DJI Fly app on your smartphone to control DJI Neo. Power on DJI Neo. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location permissions on your smartphone. Tap the Quick Transfer or Wi-Fi Devices panel on the home screen in the app for Wi-Fi connection. Make sure to update DJI Neo when new firmware is available after connecting. Parameter settings. Go to the Settings view. In the Smart Snaps section, tap the specific mode to enter the parameter configuration screen. Adjust according to actual operation requirements. Tap Custom to set the mode to Direction Track, Helix, or Boomerang, and adjust the corresponding parameters. Tap Camera Settings to set the same camera parameters for all the Smart Snaps modes. Adjust according to actual operation requirements. Smart Snaps. Go to Controls view. Check flight reminders, battery level, and Wi-Fi connection signal on the top bar. Check the live view from the camera view. The current mode is displayed under the live view. Tap to expand the option list and select your desired mode. This video takes the follow mode as an example. Extend your arm, face the camera toward the subject, and keep it steady. Tap the Start icon in the app.
2, 1.
DJI Neo will announce a countdown via voice and then take off automatically. You can check the live view and video recording duration. To stop follow mode, you can walk near to DJI Neo and perform a palm landing. Voice control. In the Controls view, tap the voice control icon. Allow the microphone permission to record audio according to the prompts. Enable voice control where the pop-up panel is displayed at the bottom. Then say a voice command.
3 meter circle.
Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Tap the corresponding button in the pop-up panel to go to voice control settings. Enable voice wake up. When using mobile app control, say, "Hey Fly," to wake up voice control. Then control DJI Neo using voice control commands.
Hey Fly,
I'm here.
stop.
Got it.
Record audio via app recording. In the Controls view, tap the audio recording icon to enable the record audio via app recording. When using mobile app control, audio will be recorded while DJI Neo is recording a video. Manual control. Place DJI Neo on a flat surface or flat ground. Go to Manual Control view. Press and hold the takeoff button to initiate auto takeoff. Control DJI Neo using the virtual joysticks in the app. The left stick controls the flight altitude and orientation. The right stick controls the forward, backward, left, and right flight movements. View the live view in the camera view. Tap the Photo Video toggle icon to switch between photos and videos. In photo mode, tap the shutter button to take a photo. In video mode, tap the record button to start recording. Tap again to stop recording. Press and hold the landing icon to land DJI Neo. You can watch the Smart Snaps video to learn more about other Smart Snaps modes.